Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel in my studio. This is Angela Serendpity Arts Journals. Welcome one more time if you're back in my channel. If this is your first time, welcome, come on in, feel free to ask any questions. I will be doing a video explaining what I'm doing the most now, and it's basically I am doing sticker journals, spreads, since certain companies contact me like Journalsay and Grabie and Paper Gleam, and I have to do an unboxing of them, and I received the Grabie September box, so I will be looking up for those unboxings also. I want to get all these unboxings out of there. Look for a Graphic 45 unboxing that I did. It was great. I just bought one. There's people that bought 3. There is, I think, 4 different boxes. I got box number 3, that it was the seasonal, and it was Christmas and some autumn, barely Christmas. It was the most worth it $45 that I have paid. Okay, so this is an order from Scrap. Okay, so I'm back. So there's a collection that I haven't seen, and I was watching something in scrapbook.com that came to me, a video, and then they have, you know, they check what they have in their sales once in a while. I don't like to order that much from there because I know they use FedEx. FedEx is one of the best companies that I never had an issue. I always receive my packages. I never have an issue. UPS, I always have issues. They leave it in the wrong house. And also I live like an hour and a half the most from scrapbook.com, and usually what I do, if I want to order something from there that is in a good price, I order it ahead of time, and when my husband has to go to Phoenix, he pick it up in the warehouse. We save the day, and we save in shipping. Shipping, it's outrageous sometimes, and I don't know, because they send these stuff in humongous boxes. So I'm going to show you this very quick. It's a collection that is from Sheena, I think it's Sheena Douglas, that she went to with Crafter Companions now. And I saw in HSN somebody selling this, but I don't buy a lot from HSN. I don't know why, but no specific reason. But when I saw this collection, and I saw that scrapbook.com has the bundle for $49.99, I says, I bit the bullet and bought it, because it's the Day of the Dead. It's a pad of 36 sheets. It is from 2024, and it says all images are drawn by hand, traditionally or digitally, using references from China's private imaging library. Images free for commercial use under license from Stock Images. And you can order from UK, or you can order from Crafter Companions. I went to Crafter Companions here, but I never have luck with the Crafter Companions in California. It takes forever for them to send my stuff. So I want to welcome you, like I said, and I'm going to show you this really quick. The papers are gorgeous. You get 2, 3, or 4, and they're double-sided, so I will do one side. The colors are vibrant. It looks like this little lights, it looks like they're really shining. You see the little sprites? You have the colors are, it is fabulous. When I saw it, I says I need it in my stash. And I have one that they did from Frida. I don't know which company it is, that I haven't used. That I think this one will go because it's the same colors. So that's that side, and then this is the side. You see, you get solids on the background with designs. It's just gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. And the paper is 180 GSM, so it's a good GSM. It came with the 6x6, which I'm not going to go through it because it's just the same but it's smaller images. I am glad. It came with the Sheena Luxury Mix cards. You know these because these are also with Sarah Davis. It's the same. You get 3 colors. You get 3 colors, 8 of each. So 24 pieces. It's 200 GSM. And here are the colors. It's the matte, the glossy gold, and black. And these are good. I like these to cut paper. It came also with vellum pack of 24. It has 6. It have 4 of each. I am not going to show them all because I am not going to do this video so long. But I'm going to show you some of the, these are, you see the 4, they're very thick. It's not the flimsy vellum. It's very vibrant. That I only pick out one color. Let me see if I can pick a couple more. Okay, let's just do this. You see? They're just gorgeous. Gorgeous colors. And those are the 6 that you get. The 6 images, so you can pause if you want to see more in detail. Like I say, I paid $49.99, of course, plus shipping. They gave me something free that day. The only thing that it was free. Oh, and I got a little extra 10%, I think, because they had a code. This little mint tape that it looks humongous in the picture. And when I saw it, I said, but it's free. We are not going to complain. It came with an embossing folder called Marigold Medley. It is 5.5 by 5.5. It's gorgeous. It's a very good quality. And here's an example of what you can do with it. Here is the Sugar Skull Embellishment 6 pieces stamp and die. Large die is 3 inches by 2.3. This is an example of the card. These are the dies. I opened them already because I was so excited I couldn't wait. But here's the stamp. It's a pretty good size stamp. And here is the dies that cuts everything. So I thought for $49 it was a good deal. There is this one that is, I didn't open this one. I can open it really quick. These are sentiments. They're a good size. Always and forever, life is the dance. Lost in the music, life is a celebration. You are my music. Dance like no one is watching. Love is a beautiful melody. Life for the moment. Live for the moment. If you can choose the music, you can still choose the dance. And those are the stamps that came for this collection. And it's something that you can use in a generic way. I couldn't believe how many pieces this thing has. It has the harmonious woman. Look at how gorgeous that is. It's gorgeous. It says it's 4.3 by 3.7 size, and there's an inspiration that you can do. And then we have the Melody Man, and he is 4.3 by 3.7 also. There's a card, and here is the man. And they're photopolymer stamps. They're good quality stamps. I paint my nails blue because I went and bought some nail polish. I don't know if it's but they given me my nails finally. And the last one is Lost in the Music. And I think this is the most romantic one. Is this one. There's her and him and they're dancing tango. Gorgeous. So I got all those for, I had a 10% off, I think like $2, or let me get a sip of my salted caramel Javi. I just full for Javi concentrated coffee. And I am going to show you something else since we are in a here that I forgot you to, because it's just, I just received it today. I ordered from Temu, and it's this. Let me just move this out of the way. Dark Family. It's a rare privilege to see our family. I guess they wanted to put Adam's Family, but it's copyrighted. So this is how it looks. It is 4.3 inches wide, 7 inches deep, and 9 inches tall. I paid $14.99. I wanted to do one of these. I bought my son a Lego one because he likes to do Lego. It has 2,000 mini Lego pieces. This is a transformer. But it came like this. with the cover, so you can still use this to make a journal or something. Let's see what else we have here. We got the instructions, step by steps. It's telling you. I bought Dollar Tree glue wood. Excuse me, I got the hiccups. But all the instructions are here. It has a casket that looks like a bookshelf, another casket where hands it is, the clock, the chair, the table with the phonograph, it has a picture of here of Morticia, a brain. This is going to take time. These are some of the stickers. Came with stickers. It came with light. There's a light. And it's with the batteries here. It has a little file. And this is like a... What is this? Oh, it's a coffin with and it got tweezers and emerald board, like I guess for the little, and everything. Oh, and it came with this B7000. I don't know, it's like E6000 for them. It came with an acrylic, a plastic. Here are the windows and some more of the plastic. Here is the house in pieces. These are all pieces and they are pre-cut and you have to put them together. I am not going to open this because I don't want the pieces to start getting loose. But on the sides it says Dark Family. I'm going to cover that and I'm going to put Adam's Family. And I am going to do this and I will put snippets of how I'm doing on my progress because my son is taking some time off and we want to do something together. And we decide he will do while I do this. He says, I don't know, I don't want you doing anything scrapbooking. So that's why I ordered him this. And this one was, I think, 13. And they give me a couple of, you know, refunded like $3 back. So I pay like, I think $10. And these can be expensive. Because I saw them in certain stores, and when Joann's was there, they had one, a very pretty one, but they wanted like $75 or $80 for one. So this is, if you want the link for it, let me know and I can give you the link. I cannot guarantee you prices in Temu, you know, that changes, but this was something I received today. And my son, Transformer. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for being here for me. Thank you for supporting my channel. Don't forget to leave me, where are you from? Where are you watching from? What time it is of the day over there? And like I say, if you're new to my channel and you have a question, just, or even new or coming back, leave an emoji so I know you watched and I can shout out your channel. Thank you very much. Be happy, be safe, be crafty, and I see you soon in another video. Bye.